This is cabin 9200 on Independence of the Seas. So when you first come to the right, there are 2 bunk beds. They also have their own individual closet space with an area for shoes at the bottom. Also little lamps for lighting. There's also a curtain for privacy. When you come to the left, there is the bathroom. It is a shower pod, not a curtain. Toilet, plenty of towels, sink. I like the spacing with the toilet because on MSC it was very crowded. You have a full-length mirror, another closet, plenty of hangers. Coming into the main cabin, you have a sofa, which lets out, this room holds up to 6 people, 7 if you're doing an occupancy waiver. This lets out to a let-out sofa. There is another curtain for privacy, and it comes all the way over. King-size bed, lamps and end table on each one. You have 2 chairs and ottomans, and this particular cabin is literally right at the front of the ship. So they do always say in the evenings to close your draperies to keep the disturbance of the bridge at a minimum. But literally we can see where this ship is going at all times. Very, very cool. And then you can see all the other ships that are in port. I believe that's Mariner of the Seas. That's Carnival Freedom. I'm not sure what Disney ship that is. And I'm not sure what ship that is. But yes, this is cabin 9200 on Independence of the Seas. Sorry, didn't mean to end it. You have a TV over here. You have more drawer space and a desk. You have 1, 2 standard outlets. You have a European outlet. You also have more closet space along with the life jackets and a safe. Very, very, very spacious.